Hello, I'm Crazy Dave, and I've just cut a 53mm hole in this piece of paper, and I intend to pass this 70mm square piece through the hole, which is obviously not big enough, but this can be achieved by folding the paper in a certain way so that it elongates the hole. The 70mm paper now comfortably clears through the 53mm hole. This is the original part that came out. As I said, this is achieved by the way the paper is folded. It now reverts to the round hole, which is only 53mm and will not accommodate the 70mm square. To try and explain why this works, there's the 53mm hole, but if I fold the paper like this, you can see that as it goes together, the hole gets bigger, and you can then get 70mm in. The reason is I've actually taken material away. If you visualize it as a 53mm cylinder, you wouldn't be surprised to see that if you squash the cylinder, it gets bigger. There is no difference. I'm taking the round and I'm making it into an oval and then fold it in half.